Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front stop clip that keeps the rack from this Whirlpool dishwasher from falling out. These instructions also apply to models made by Maytag, KitchenAid, Kenmore, and JennAir. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The dish rack stop clip attaches to the front of the rack slide and prevents the dish rack from sliding out of the rail during use. This clip fits both the left and right side of the dishwasher. However, the front and rear stop clips are different parts and are sold separately. Unlike some designs that require you to remove the end cap from the slide rail entirely, this clip pivots open to make rack removal much easier. Over time, the plastic clip can crack or break from the repeated stress of pulling the rack in and out. If it breaks, the rack may slide out of the rail completely. Replacing a broken front stop clip keeps the rack securely in the rail and makes loading and unloading your dishwasher safer and easier. If you need to purchase a replacement front stop clip for your dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. To access and replace the stop clip, open the dishwasher's door and slide out the center or top rack. The replacement process is the same on all of the dishwasher's rails. To remove the clip, support the rail and carefully pull the bottom of the clip down until it releases from the mounting hole. Remove the top and discard the old stop clip. When ordering a replacement front stop clip, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We've included a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. To install the front stop clip, simply press the stop clip into the slide track until it locks into place. Be sure that both tabs are securely locked in the mounting holes. The stop clip can be installed in either orientation. Slide the rack back in, close the door, and your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.